The operator project selects specific fields and passes them through the next stage. It's extremely useful for filtering a document to show only the fields we need. This tutorial is a continuation from our lookup stage example and uses the customers and the Chicago Affordable Housing datasets, both of which are available online at studio3t.com. Let's say we only want to see our customers' names and the information associated with their address. We can do this by creating a project stage that only passes through certain fields, such as first, last, address.city, address.state, address.zip_code.affordable_housing_options, .property type, .property name, .units, and .zip code. We'll do this by creating a new stage in the Studio 3T Aggregation Editor, selecting Project from the drop-down menu, and giving each of the fields we want to be passed through to the next stage a value of 1 or true. The nature of an aggregation pipeline is to have multiple stages, so you will likely use Project in tandem with other operators like find, match, or lookup. Run the query by executing the entire pipeline, or preview the output from this stage in the lower right-hand stage output pane. You should see only the fields we want. From here, you can pass these results into the next stage of the pipeline. For more great tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Studio 3T, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or watch our video on the lookup and out stages from this aggregation pipeline.